In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region in App Store. Changing your App Store region lets you access apps, content, and payment methods specific to another country, which can be helpful if you've moved or need something only available elsewhere. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can switch with confidence. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. If you haven't set a custom photo, it may appear as a simple silhouette. Either way, tap it. Give the account page a moment to load. At the top, tap your name or email to open your account details. This is where Apple keeps all the settings tied to your Apple ID and purchases. Next, find and tap Country Region. Here you'll see the country your App Store is currently set to. Before you change anything, it's important to make sure you meet Apple's requirements. You can't switch regions if you have active subscriptions on this Apple ID. If you do, tap subscriptions and cancel them first. Also, your Apple ID balance must be 0. If you have any remaining credit, spend it or contact Apple support to have it removed. These checks exist because your payment method and store rules will change with the new country, and Apple needs a clean slate to apply the new billing setup. When you're ready, tap Change Country or Region. From the list, choose the country you're moving to, for example, the United States, and tap Next. You'll be shown the terms and conditions for that country. Take a moment to review them, then tap Agree in the top right corner to continue. Now you'll add a new payment method that's valid in the country you selected. Enter the required billing details exactly as they appear with your bank or card provider, including a matching billing address. When everything looks correct, tap Next. The App Store will update your region and your account will be tied to the new storefront. That's it. You've successfully changed your App Store country or region. From here, you can browse and download apps and content available in the new location. Keep in mind that availability varies by country, and some previous purchases or subscriptions may not be accessible until you switch back. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your new region's App Store.